Imagine hitting the road with nothing but the wind in your face, your home rolling behind you on 3 wheels, and total freedom at your fingertips. That's not just a dream anymore, it's a reality, thanks to Kevin Cyr's mind-blowing 2026 Camper Tricycle. You won't believe how much adventure and functionality is packed into this tiny, pedal-powered home on wheels. This isn't your average trike. The 2026 version of Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle is a futuristic marvel that turns heads wherever it goes. Built with a rugged yet lightweight aluminum frame and reinforced fiberglass camper shell, this beast is made for the urban explorer and off-grid nomad alike. And yes, it's pedal-powered, but don't let that fool you, it's assisted by an electric motor to take on steep hills and long journeys with ease. Imagine cruising through the countryside or slipping through city traffic with zero gas and zero emissions. That's what freedom looks like. Step inside, and you'll be blown away. The interior is a masterclass in space-saving design. A compact bed folds neatly into the wall when not in use, a mini fold-out table turns into a dining or work area, and storage compartments are tucked into every possible corner. There's even solar panels on the roof powering LED lights, a USB charging port, and a mini fan. No hookups needed. It's fully off-grid, self-sustaining, and unbelievably cool. What makes the 2026 Camper Tricycle even more special is that it's not just a mode of travel, it's a statement. With rising rent prices, housing shortages, and a growing demand for sustainable living, this tiny home on wheels is a game changer. You don't need a mortgage. You don't need to be tied down. You can literally live anywhere, go anywhere, and still have the comforts of home, without ever paying rent again. Imagine waking up next to a mountain stream, brewing coffee from your fold-out kitchenette, and riding into a sunrise. Or parking near the beach and falling asleep to the sound of waves, all in your mobile, eco-friendly pod. It's not just travel, it's a lifestyle revolution. People all over the world are ditching their traditional homes and embracing this minimalist, adventurous way of living. And here's what makes it even more exciting. The 2026 update brings improved aerodynamics, better weather insulation, and modular attachments so you can customize your setup for biking, camping, or even selling coffee or crafts on the road. It's a mobile home, mobile office, mobile dream, rolled into one. So if you're tired of the ordinary, sick of skyrocketing rent, and craving something different, this is it. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom. It's function. It's future. Whether you're a digital nomad, an artist on the move, or just someone who wants to escape the rat race, this tiny trike could change your life. Would you ride one? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more wild, game-changing ideas.